In this video, I'll show you how to add a text flyout animation, a simple yet powerful effect that makes your text smoothly fly off the screen. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that fits your video style. Clean or bold fonts usually work best for flyout animations because the movement stays clear and readable. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Flyout. As soon as you apply it, you'll see your text move out smoothly in a flying motion. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so there's no need to add any extra layers or effects. To control the speed of the flyout, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a slow and smooth flyout, or drag it to the right for a fast and energetic exit. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so it matches the rhythm of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a text flyout animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.